Don't do drugs.
Like literally I'm craving it. Am I pregnant? It's a girl Jinae. I feel like something's wrong in my face. I'm like here. I'm happy to move full. Hi. It's a girl Jinae back with another video. Before I get started, thank you guys so much for the 80k, and I'm so sorry that I've been gone for a little while.
This you?
I don't know, so you're not gonna cuss me and shit, but my apologies, okay? Today we're gonna do a hair video. As you can see, I have on my bald cap. So I got this hair from vllo. I'm not sure if I said it right, but I think that's what it's called. It's a 613 blonde. The first thing first,
Time to realist.
is we are gonna do the bald cap shit. What me do is I spray the got to be all over. This is what's going to hold down the bald cap, you see me? Okay, before we blow dry, I want to got one step. You have to cut your ears out. So me really can't bother if just do a next week tutorial like this. So I decided that we finna get this company called Fresh English Frost branch sent me some edibles, and we're gonna do a wig installation. They sent me some gummy bears. I think them have like some special something with going at the gummy bears. Some mixture you mix up together with these gummy bears, and then you have the weed gummy bears, and I have a cookie which I'm not gonna take today. May I take the weed gummy bears? May I take one first?
And then probably me take one next one.
Are you dumb, stupid, or dumb? Huh?
I'm just letting y'all know, guys. Do not do this if you're not above the age of 18. It literally says it must be 18. You see me? So don't do it. Don't do it if you're young. Yo, the weed smells nice. See it here? Oh, little and tiny. Let me tell y'all, I do smoke.
I'm here to tell you right now, we don't care.
We just smoke and I feel nice on party, you know? Yeah. But that's pretty much it. I've never been super high before, so hopefully, you know. You're supposed to wait one while before kicking fully. Dog, we don't want to be like super high in my parents' house. Thank you. Blow dry my ear, and it kind of dry, so I'm gonna apply some makeup now, and then I'm gonna apply some makeup on the wig itself. This dude named Michael used to ride motorcycles bigger than a tower. I ain't talking about Eiffel. Something. Nah. So now we're gonna cut. Honestly and truly, I'm not sure if I'm feeling anything, so I'll probably take another one. I have a widow's peak. I'm gonna hate it. I don't know why I even have widow's peak, because it's not like my mother or my father have it. Probably me a jacket.
Cups of the rose.
Do they have it? I don't know. So I don't think anything's happening to me. So I might eat one of these fresh ones. Okay, so there's gummy bears, like regular plain gummy bears. I'm gonna eat one. I have this mixture. It smells like liquor. It also smells like you have weed in there. Definitely. You're supposed to like put it the gum. So if I just drink it. What? I'll eat the gummy bears separately. I just pour it in the bag. Okay, so may I make it? But I'm not enough to talk right now, okay? Marinade. So after I done cut the bald cap and you look like a Wii sport character, like, you know, the words please come out right. You look like a bald character. I feel like that's the wrong word still. What am I looking for? Like, what? I just know it's yellow. Oh, I found it. It was literally right there. I don't know how I didn't see that. So I'm gonna try using foundation. I've seen people do it. I'm gonna try. So they spray like a little on their hand and then like diffuse it, I guess. And this is how you make it look melted. So now we get this and you put it on the line to melt it in, you see me? And I'm gonna use this again. My eyes twitching, bro. I swear I felt it twitching.
A few moments later.
Okay, so I tied a scarf. It's not a scarf. I don't know why I keep calling it a scarf. This tie thingy around the cap, and I'm gonna eat food. Alright, so we're going to do the gummies now. I think there's like 5 of them in here. Yo, my belly a ball. I'm just eat. I don't know. Should I do this? Is this okay? Am I okay? Oh shit! It broke. I kinda know how to do this because I feel like this is a bad idea. So yeah, go wet the cotton ball, cotton pads, whatever cotton thing you have, and yeah, go wipe off right here. So I feel like me gonna talk slow. Like me feel everything slow right now. Sorry. The alcohol I beat me on my face. It smells very strong. I don't know what happened to my finger. You see that? You see that? Like the skin? What the f? We're just pressing back my skin, dog. Alright, let me explain myself before I think I'm crazy. So like, you know when you rub your finger somewhere and the skin like tear and it lift up? That's how it looked to me, but it could not lift up. You understand? You lift up and you see the blood and you can put alcohol and dress it and everything. That in the other one. I touch it and it sink back in and it just look normal, like nothing in my fingers. So I was just like, yo, I really don't know if my gun or be just dumb. Dog, I'm like, I smell weed from my hand. I'm craving weed, like literally I'm craving it. Am I pregnant? Bitch, you don't be having sex. Dog, I don't remember what is the next step. Well, I am tripping out right now. The last set did it for me. I don't know what's happening, but I feel like, I don't know, the cricket them sound really loud. I feel like me and spin. Dude, what the hell was in that second thing? Shit. Did y'all see me moving a while ago? Okay, let me teach you about booking. My concentration is so gone. My legs feel like they're on fire. Jinae, it's not funny. Do not laugh. It's not funny. Okay? No one said anything to you. You're in a room by yourself. It's not funny. Stop dying of laughter. You don't need to laugh. I'm pretty sure I'm just send Jinae one voice note. And I'm going to insert it because I know I'm on some shit myself. I feel like I know myself right now. Jinae, I am tripping out so much right now. I don't feel like I'm actually saying this right now. I feel like it's just in my mind. I feel like I have super vision. Yeah, because like when me I focus on something, I really focus on it. It's like me I them in a HD. I don't know for fuck. I'm actually stressed out. Like I've been floating for a while. I stopped video because I can't find my lace glue. I've searched everywhere. And I started to feel like, oh, probably because I am baked, but we can't find the lace glue. So I asked brother for feet, him can't find it either. So at this point, I'm just like, so I've been laying here. And I started listening to some music because it's like a freaking radio station in my head. So I'm just listening to music. Dog, I need to find my lace glue. Like, it's pissing me off. I've been looking for this glue for like an hour. So I text my cousin's like, Jinae, you could be hiding for yourself. After I tell me that, I just find, you know, I'm gonna look one spot where I know I'm gonna go from one. Me probably it drop this or something. I can't that gone, yo. I can't.
Child. Anyway, so
Let's apply this wig. Every single wear. Okay, we're gonna put on the lace now. So after you place the wig on the glue. You get your tie head or your scarf or whatever you want. Call it. So you tie down your hairline now. Girl, my stomach is growling and I eat original and I eat one snack. Love is a losing game and I just can't take no more. Okay, so now we go take off. Arf me just said Jesus Christ, me a puppy. Ready. What the fuck? Dog, I'm really. Shit. Yo, we can't believe somebody just did that too, so. Okay, guys, so I finished installing the wig. I can't let that. Bye.
Boom, here we go back again with the paintbrush, the bigger one. And left to right, that's the technique. See, left to right, circle, circle, left to right.